Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. Here, basically, we are going to talk about the part that is currencies, and this actually connects to the earthquakes. Basically, that basically we know from where basically that is connecting. So this is the topic actually, earthquake, how earthquakes works, and in that basically we are discussing about one project manager discussion. In this basically this is the topic, currencies dependency. So in this one topic, currently I am discussing, that is ideas. What actually ideas are? In this idea, basically today, just now, basically we are going to discuss one topic that is connecting to ideas only, but that is connecting to very high level basically. I will discuss how basically. Just see. The topic is like this. For example, one person told that we got idea of the computer from set of planets, right? That we agree. Then he told that yes, basically we agree, but we don't have the list of that data basically from where these ideas basically have got. Then he told that yes, basically the power supply data basically we have a little bit, but exact power data basically we don't have. Why? Because the satellites are connected with the power supply company. So from where few data are coming, that basically we are not able to track. So there might be lakhs of planet basically, which might be giving the power supply to the computers and the nuclear power companies. We are basically only connected with the nuclear power company. We are directly not connected. There is basically uh, only one computer in this world basically, which is directly connected with the satellite. That where basically it is, that basically I also don't know. It might be mostly where basically that lots of ice basically gets formed in that area only basically, because it's a processing data basically. There only basically only one computer is connected with the satellite. That is the one thing. So that is basically related to the idea, right? Like this basically earth planet has created lots of ideas. Means, for example, one person told that chartered accountancy, that is one idea. Then he told that yes, it is solving lots of things basically. Then one person told that MCA basically it's connected to computer, that is one idea. These all are certificates basically. So if I say that entire certification is one idea, then also it would be correct. So they have categorized basically ideas into the certification side. That also basically you can see, or basically you can say degree basically. That BCom degree, BCom is one idea, MCom is one idea. Basically you can say, which is going to, if you do MCom, or basically if you do BCom, or basically if you do MBA, or if you do IITs, IIM basically, your bodies are going to generate certain level of data basically. Your bodies are going to generate certain level of data. The data is going to generate certain level of ideas. So like this basically things are there, right? So like this basically things are basically there. So one person told that why you are telling that, we have already discussed this, right? Then one person told that from where basically we are getting ideas, right? It might be more than 1 lakh planet basically, which might be giving the computer idea basically, right? Might have got the computer idea, and the power supply is also basically coming from that. Then he told that 100% correct. So one person told that this is the Earth planet basically, where computer idea basically what? So you can say that it's a Earth planet computer idea. That you can say. So this Earth planet computer idea basically was captured by satellites, and that basically captured more than 1 lakh planets basically. So more than 1 lakh planets basically given the data so that the computer idea basically can generate in the Earth planet. That is the one thing. But still basically the thing is the data of power supply basically only basically mostly the nuclear power company basically also might be having that data, but that data basically might be updating always. The data basically might be always updating. That is the one thing basically. So this is the basically dangerous thing. Now basically the dangerous thing is the planet chain basically. For example, 1 lakh planet basically are giving the giving the data to the Earth planet so that the computer can get on basically. That also if I say basically, then it will be 100% correct. So 1 lakh planet basically is giving the data of computer planet based computer energy basically. That also you can say. So like this basically one of the person told that Microsoft also basically is one energy that is also connected with computer, right? So Microsoft basically was created basically set of 4 to 5 crore people basically are there. Their blood cells and data basically and energy basically are taken, and their bodies basically parts energies are taken. On the base of that basically the Microsoft has created, but that people basically are connected with the nuclear power company, na basically. That company are connected with the set of power company, energy companies. Nuclear power company is connected with satellites. The need of the day. So here basically we can say that few set of planets basically created Microsoft. That also you can say. The need of that exactly it's correct. That is one point now. Now planets to planets basically data are coming. That is one thing. So if I say that the same way the planets to planets basically data are coming, that same way in Earth planet also basically the computer ideas are basically setted. That sets automatically only basically. You will do this type of activity, then only basically the data is going to set in the Earth planet. Then the person actually was confused basically what actually told. Assume that basically 1 lakh planet basically are giving the data to computers, that is the nuclear power company. Sequence is exactly same. Whatever sequence basically it might be. Same sequence basically gets copy here basically the Earth planet. That basically the Earth planet people only basically do. That Earth planet people, that is the nuclear power company basically, they only do the environment setting of the computer's energy basically. So assume that basically in computer basically there are big 100 software companies basically, they created their energy and they setted their environment in the planet, in the Earth planet basically. So in the same way basically the data is going to generate, right? This is one thing. Now assume that the wrong basically chaining basically got connected as per the universe chain basically is connected. So immediately what will happen? Earthquake is going to connect and it's going to tell that basically this chain is not correct. Please create the another chain. So like this is one possibilities. Then another possibility is the earthquakes basically which are coming in the environment, that basically are connected with the all ideas also. That possibilities are also there. Here actually we are discussing earthquake topic. That possibilities are also there basically. So assume that basically 1 lakh idea basically Earth planet has generated. 1 lakh Earth idea basically Earth planet has generated. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic basically. That is basically the 1 lakh idea basically which is generated in the Earth planet, and how basically that is getting chained and how the earthquakes are connected with this.